On the first question about share an advantage and a disadvantage about working in small groups, one advantage is that if I am in a group with some people, they might be able to help me with any questions I have. They will be there when we need to share ideas too, which is another side of having help. One disadvantage is that there is a chance that the people that I am working with may not be as patient with me. Sometimes I am learning to communicate it in English well, and sometimes it takes me time. Depending on the group that I am in, I might feel like I am holding them back a little bit. Advice I have for people working in groups is that they should be patient and be understanding when working with others, especially if they are working with people who don't speak English. On the second question, two listening barriers are an example of a listening barrier is external distraction. This is when people get distracted by outside noises or events. Examples could be getting distracted by phone ringing or people shouting in the crowd. I plan to minimize the barrier by turning off my phone and making sure to close any doors that are open. Another example of a listening barrier is that I get distracted from the main idea and focus on the details too much. To avoid this, I need to find a place that is empty or quiet and not focusing on the individual details too much. For the third question about what I learned about listening habits, what I learned about my listening habit is that I am not rational. And instead, I am emotional. I would like to be more rational instead. I always try to be empathic, but sometimes empathic is not what is needed.